Refresh data and commit changes. So if multiple users are in a database, each user has a copy of the data on their machine which is taken from the database or copied from the database when the project is open. So if there are 2 users, there's 3 copies of the project, 1 on the database and 1 on each machine. So if each user makes changes, there are 3 versions of the project, 1 on each computer and 1 on the database. So the F5 or refresh data key is used when 1 or more people are working on the same project, and it ensures that the latest data is displayed, which enables one user to see the latest edits made by another one. So the F5 key will write any changes to the database and write any changes on the database back to their computer. So each user will have to press the key a couple of times to ensure that they all have the latest data. Also, if somebody has changed the global calendar, then the refresh data or the F5 key will display the latest global calendar and any other changes, like for example if somebody makes changes to the resource table, you'll see the changes as well. The F10 is the commit change key, which only writes changes to the database and doesn't write changes back to your machine. So if I make a change to this activity and I make this to 10 days and I select File, Commit Changes, it writes that 10 to the database but doesn't write any changes back again. On the other hand, if I select F5, it writes any changes I've made and writes any changes back from the database to my machine. So the F5 key is very useful when multiple people are working in the same project. Who has the project open? If you wish to open a project in exclusive mode and somebody else is using it, you need to find out who's opened it. So first of all, there are 3 access modes options available when a project is opened using the File Open option to open a project. There's Exclusive, which allows you to open a project and nobody else to open it exclusively. There is Shared, where multiple people can open the project, or Read Only, where you can open the project but not make any changes. If you want to find out who's in the project, then you need to select the Users button, and this will give you a list of users. And if the administrator has filled out their phone number and their name and that sort of thing, you'll be able to contact them.